Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the satellite map view on apartments.com. So, once apartments.com is opened up, go ahead and select your location. I'll just choose a location for this example. Now, once you're on the map, you'll notice it's set to the default view. If you want to change how the map looks, go to the top left where it says Options and press on it. From there, under Map Options, you can switch the view to Satellite. This will give you a more detailed, real-world perspective of the area. If you ever want to switch it back, you can follow the same steps and choose whatever view you prefer. Very simple and very straightforward. This is how to use the satellite map view on apartments.com. Satellite imagery enhances spatial awareness, reveals building layouts, shows nearby infrastructure, improves navigation understanding, supports better location decisions, highlights terrain features, and provides realistic environmental context for users. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.